Top 3 iPhone keyboard tricks you should know. Hey everyone, welcome back. And this video I will show you top 3 iPhone keyboard tricks you should know. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any application while you are typing. After that, the first tip is trackpad mode. For that, simply press and hold the spacebar. Now from there, your keyboards turn into a trackpad so you can move the cursor anywhere easily, like you can move the cursor like this. Second one, you can use the swipe typing method, like don't tap each letter, just slide your finger across the keyboard to type super fast, like you can type this way. As you can see, the recent letter will be typed while you are swiping the letters from your keyboard. Third one is on and mode. You can hold the globe or emoji icon just at the bottom left corner. Simply tap and hold. From here, you can swipe left or swipe right to get the one hand mode. After that, one hand mode will be activated on your keyboard. You can as usual change it for left side. After that, you'll be able to access one-handed mode keyboard on your iPhone. And that's it. These are the top 3 iPhone keyboard tricks you should know and make your experience more faster. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.